Meet John. John works for a telecom service provider and he has a major problem. John's boss wants him to rapidly develop new enterprise services and open up new revenue streams. John knows this is no small task, especially with today's network infrastructure. Rolling out new services to enterprise customers could be costly. The number of truck rolls to manually configure and update customer premise equipment could be enormous. John knows he needs to make a change. He needs to find a way to rapidly create and provision new services at the touch of a button. With Network Functions Virtualization, John can do exactly this. No dedicated hardware is required, only standardized servers and software applications. By virtualizing network functions, John will have more service flexibility and network agility than ever before. What's more, it will open up new revenue streams. It may even make his boss happy. With Network Functions Virtualization, John will be able to help his enterprise customers so much more than today. And the solution is so simple. Just install a programmable demarcation device at the enterprise site and allocate server capacity in the data center. This powerful combination will help John achieve unprecedented speed and flexibility in rolling out new services. In fact, we're entering an era of instant service provisioning. The opportunities here are enormous. With Network Functions Virtualization, John will no longer have to worry about costly truck rolls, will no longer be frustrated by the time it takes to introduce new services, will no longer be worried about late-night calls from his boss. For telecom service providers, Network Functions Virtualization is a new land of business opportunity. To learn more about Network Functions Virtualization and how it can help your business, please visit www.advaoptical.com.